Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into BXP's first quarter earnings report for 2025. BXP, the largest publicly traded developer, owner, and manager of premier workplaces in the United States, has just released their results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss BXP's latest earnings report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BXP reported a revenue of $865.2 million for the first quarter of 2025, marking a 3.1% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what does this tell us about BXP's performance?
The revenue growth is a positive sign, indicating that BXP is successfully navigating the current market conditions. However, it's important to note that net income decreased to $61.2 million, or 39 cents per diluted share, from $79.9 million, or 51 per share, in the previous year. This suggests some pressure on profitability, possibly due to increased expenses or other operational challenges.
EPS and analyst forecast discussion. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.64 for BXP, and the company delivered exactly that. How does this alignment with expectations impact investor sentiment?
Meeting the EPS forecast is generally seen as a positive outcome, as it indicates that the company is performing in line with market expectations. For the second quarter, BXP has provided guidance for EPS between 38 and 40 cents, which suggests a stable outlook. This consistency can help maintain investor confidence in the company's financial management and strategic direction.
Leasing and occupancy insights. Moving on to leasing and occupancy, BXP executed over 1.1 million square feet of leases in Q1. How does this activity reflect on their operational strategy?
This is a significant achievement, especially with a 25% increase in leased square footage compared to last year. The occupancy rate stands at 86.9%, with the CBD portfolio 92.3% leased. This indicates strong demand for BXP's properties, particularly in dynamic urban markets. Additionally, their development properties are 62% pre-leased, showcasing effective forward planning and market positioning.
Financial transactions and liquidity. Let's discuss BXP's financial transactions and liquidity. They completed $4.2 billion in financings this quarter. What are the key highlights here?
BXP has been very active in managing its financial resources. They formed a joint venture for a $455.8 million residential project and amended their credit facility to $2.95 billion. Additionally, they increased their commercial paper program to $750 million. These moves enhance their liquidity and financial flexibility, positioning them well for future growth and investment opportunities.
Sustainability and strategic initiatives. On the sustainability front, BXP has achieved its net zero goal for carbon neutral operations. How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
Achieving carbon neutral operations is a significant milestone for BXP, reflecting their commitment to sustainability. This aligns with their strategy of investing in high-quality buildings in urban gateway markets, which are increasingly prioritizing environmental responsibility. Publishing their sustainability report on Earth Day further underscores their dedication to impactful and responsible business practices.
Key takeaways. In summary, BXP has delivered a solid performance in the first quarter of 2025, with revenue growth, alignment with EPS forecasts, and significant leasing activity. Their commitment to sustainability and strategic financial management positions them well for future success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing BXP's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BXP's performance in the comments below. Until next time.